Kaizer Chiefs family, Kaizer Chiefs fans, I have some really good news for you in this video. Very good news for you. I have updates on Mtutu Shabalala, the updates on Dylan Solomon, updates on Tashriq Morris, yeah, and then the other update is for Xolani Xhosa. So bafethu, make sure you stay tuned to the video, watch the whole video, subscribe to the channel. Let's just jump straight into it together.
Talk about a man on fire.
Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Amakosi Stand Podcast. This is where ozithola khona zeshisa pe. I am your host Manqoba Nqobo, all the way from Great Town. Namhlanje bafethu nginiphathele zona zeshisa pe as a Kaizer Chiefs. As you know, what's the channel, I'm talking about Kaizer Chiefs. So bafethu, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below ukuthi ucabanga nge-content enginiphathele yona namhlanje bafethu. So let's just jump straight into it. In yesterday's videos, I gave you the updates of Dylan Solomon as a player who will sign his contract extension at Kaizer Chiefs. So namhlanje bafethu, it has been confirmed that Dylan Solomon will be signing officially his contract at Kaizer Chiefs, which will stay for 1 more year, as I updated you in the last video. If you haven't watched the last video, please go and check it out. So yeah, Solomon's officially staying at Kaizer Chiefs. So there are many players who will sign new contracts, and there are many players who will leave Kaizer Chiefs as free agents. Talking about players who will leave Kaizer Chiefs as free agents, Tashriq Morris has officially left Kaizer Chiefs as a free agent, joining Durban City. Durban City, who just announced their coach uLokhuza lomjitho best coach ngibuye ngimkhohle igama semkhohle yeah, as I said guys ukuthi these coaches who come from Kaizer Chiefs, they will try to sign those players who think they will help them in their run lapha kwi-Betway Premiership, as it started now. The white guy have signed Tashriq Morris from Kaizer Chiefs, but he was a free agent, so we are not getting anything from Morris's departure. But I'm sure these coaches will come for more players. Cedric Gaza will come for his players at Kaizer Chiefs, and also the guy saying Mkhohli Gama, and now he will come for his players that he thinks Kaizer Chiefs is not using them. So Matlo out, Morris out. Many players are coming out, and also Umashiane is out. More players will be announced, but first obviously they are leaving the club. But Dylan Solomon is staying for 1 more year at Kaizer Chiefs. So Buffett, let's hope he will have a good season. Tashriq Morris is gone to join Durban City as a free agent. Another player I wanted to talk about is Xolani Xhosa from Kaizer Chiefs Academy, who joined Botswana League last season on a loan, and it was impressive. His performance was impressive. He's a centre back, left centre back. So the rumors of Unda to replace McCarthy are now clear. Kaizer Chiefs won't be signing Oli Sanda. Instead, they just signed their new, not new, it's like replacing McCarthy with McCarthy, because he's our academy, Xolani Xhosa. So I think he will perform. I know him from the DDC. I was expecting Kaizer Chiefs to promote him, but they promoted him and then loaned him out to Botswana League. Let's hope he will come in and perform as McCarthy did. And this time I hope there is no a release clause bafethu, because that's what happened with McCarthy. Kaizer Chiefs proposed a release clause in his contract, and then the club decided to come and take him. This time, let's hope Xolani Xhosa has no release clause to his contract. 2 years contract to be exact, with an option to extend. So bafethu, let's welcome Xolani Xhosa to the first team. I have some other good news. I started the video by saying I have some good news for you. The good news is that Umduduzi Shabalala, whom we know ukuthi he had injury, was playing with Sundowns, against Sundowns in a Betway Premiership. He is back in training with the team. Let's hope he will be there joining the team for a preseason tour. Yeah, I think those news are good for Kaizer Chiefs. They are a huge boost. I think every coach wants a player to be fit before the season starts, or before the preseason tour starts, especially if you are a new coach. You want to come in and your players are all fit and ready to play, so you can make your decision whether you like the player or you want to sell the player. So but to stay tuned, because there are more news to come. The news on Thabo Cele, the news on Esbong Senimthetho, many players, Bruce Buma, many players, but first we will talk about. But we have to confirm the news first before I give it to you, because angifuni ukunika amanga bafethu, because hey, nama hate indaba zamanga. So bafethu, stay tuned to the channel, like the video, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Comment down below ungitshela ukuthi ucabangani with Solomon signing his contract, Xolani Xhosa signing a contract, Tashreeq Morris leaving Kaizer Chiefs, and that Mduduzi Shabalala is officially back in training with Kaizer Chiefs players for preseason. Thank you for Buffett for watching. See you on another one. Danko.